Hey guys, Bobby here, and today I have a question that I am wanting to answer today, and it is, how much do I need to get started with Amazon FBA? In my last video, we did online arbitrage product research with no software. If you want to check that out, I will put a link down below in the description. Give this video a like if you're ready to find out how much money you need to get started with Amazon FBA. Okay, so how much do you need to get started with Amazon FBA? There's a lot of variables that you need to think about when it comes to answering this question, and that is the products that you are looking for as far as doing research, which I do. In the last video, we did some product research, so if you want to learn how to do that, the link is down below in the description. But it's the ROI, basically, of the products that you find whenever it comes to research. So I'm going to show you part of what my page is. I call it YouTube dummy page because I'm not going to show the products that I have sold, but these are the real numbers on the products that I did sell. So item cost $15.68, sold price $38.99, profit after fees and shipping is $6.48. So there's a video that I created that talks about the mindset that you need to have when it comes to selling on FBA. I will put a link down below to that video in the description as well. But it's basically talking about how you need to get the mindset of spending $15 to make $6. When it comes to doing this, you spend $15, sell it, make $6.48, plus get the $15.68 back in your pocket. All right, so item cost $15.68. Item cost is $31.36. Sold for $77.98, and profit after fees is $18.90. So when it comes to starting Amazon, you need to at least get the $40. The Pro Amazon Seller account is $39.99 a month. So that's you at least need to get that. So let's see. So what is that? It's about $40. So these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items right there pays for the $40 monthly subscription. So you need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, at least these 7 items to keep up with the $40 minimum that you have. So let's add these up. These 7 right here is $109.76. So if you were to look at this, that is basically what you would need plus $40 to get started on Amazon FBA. There is, however, another way that you can get started without paying the $40, and you can send it in to Amazon FBA without paying the $40, but they charge you $1 per item that you sell. So if you plan on selling over 40 items, then it's best for you to get the Pro account. I think there's some benefits. I can't think of what the benefits are, but I think there are a lot more benefits as far as maybe getting the buy box and stuff like that. But this is just a quick overview of how much you may need to get started when it comes to starting your business on Amazon FBA. Actually, now that I think about it, I would double it because it takes a while for Amazon to send you your money back when it comes to you selling a product and you waiting maybe 3 to 4 weeks for them to send you your check so that you can reinvest into more products. So basically what I did whenever I first started out was I created a sheet full of products before getting started so that I could get an idea of how much profit I may get if I sold the products that I was sending in. The first thing I did was maybe send one product just to test it, and then send maybe 10 different products or 20 different products and send them in to see if they sold. And then after they sold, there was a sales per month that I quoted for myself based on how many sellers there were and how many sales there were per month. And then I sent in maybe 5 products, then maybe 10 after that, and then however many there were, like as far as sales per month, if there was 20 altogether, I might have inched myself up until I met that certain amount, just so that I could see that those products were selling on my estimate, if that makes any sense. So those are my thoughts. Please leave a comment down below to tell me how much you think you need to get started with Amazon FBA. If you want to learn what my mentor taught me when it came to selling on Amazon, I will have a link down below to that video in the description.